Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to see about master control reset. So what is this master control reset? You can find here as MCR. So simply I can tell you that it is like a main switch in our home. So in our home in energy meter we are having a main control, no? So if you are turning on that, then only you can able to turn on all the lights, fans, whatever home appliances we are having in our home will be in on condition. So if we turn off that, automatically, even though the switches in the electrical board is in on condition, but main is off means everything will be off. It's like that only. Okay, so I'll tell you how to use that. So for example, in an industry, they may have more number of inputs and outputs, right? So in some emergency cases or sudden we need to turn off everything at the same time. Maybe in some cases, maybe that may be emergency or it isn't requirement or whatever it is. So in that case, you can make use of this MCR. So MCR, if you are using, you can turn off all the outputs at the same time. Let's see how to do that. So let's take M4, M5 and this M3. These three are the outputs I need to turn off immediately and at the same time. Even though the input condition is different. See, here input is different, here input is different, here input is different. Even though the input is a non condition, if it requires, you can turn off your respective outputs. So for that, first fix which output you want to turn off. I'm going to turn off 1, 2, 3. So you need to introduce before this. MCR should introduce before that. Just take a MCR. MCR is the output instruction. Got it? So it is not asking any question mark and also no need of giving any address, but whenever you are using the MCR, you should give the input condition. Okay? Just give XIC. After that your MCR. This is your main switch, like that. MCR on, right, and you have created the starting place where it should end. It should up to this only, so after this rung you need to finish MCR. So take one more rung and give MCR here. Just check for errors. Go online now. Right? Now if you turn on, automatically everything will be on, right? But see here, your outputs which is in MCR zone is not at all on. I have told you, it's like a main switch. So you need to turn on your main switch first, then only it will on. Fine. Suppose in any condition if you turn off, all the outputs are immediately off. Got it? Understood? This is the use of MCR. It's like a main power supply, main switch. So whatever outputs you want, you need to put that in the MCR zone. MCR zone is starting from this place to this place. Even you can introduce 2 or more MCR zone also. So let's see that. So let's see, I have introduced one MCR zone here. Let's take few more rungs. Take, yeah, so here introduce MCR. Fine, and here connect some IOs. Take some output. After copying, you can change the name. right? So these two outputs I need to turn off when it requests. So I'm concluding the, ending the MCR here. Fine. So check for errors. Go online. Right? So if you normally turn on, it will not on because main is off. Turn on that, automatically this will on. So you can introduce multiple MCRs in same program. If you want to change the MCR border, zone means, for example, only these two outputs only I want to put it in a MCR. I want to remove this means you just take this rung and place it before M3. So I'll show you. Take this rung and put it here. So now M3 is after the MCR zone. So it will not come under MCR. So now M4 and M5 are in MCR zone. Got it? So this is the way to use the MCR instructions. Whenever you want to turn off all the outputs at the same time, or you should have some main control, in that cases and all, you can make use of this MCR instructions. Fine. Okay, I'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.